Hey guys, Coach Karen here. Happy 4th of July weekend. Hey, with the summer upon us, one of the big festivities every weekend is barbecues. So I got 6 tips that are going to help you stay healthy throughout barbecue season. Number 1, stay hydrated. Focus on your water. Number 2, limit the amount of alcohol that you're going to have at the barbecue. Make a commitment to yourself with what you're going to have and stick to it. Number 3, movement. Get a workout in, get a walk in, get something in before the barbecue. You know it's going to make you feel better physically as well as mentally. Number 4, skip the pasta salad. Focus on the veggie salad. Super nutritious, super cool, and it's going to make you feel good. Number 5, let's focus on lean protein, meaning chicken breast. Nothing better than a juicy chicken breast right off the grill. And last but not least, going back to veggies, fill up on them first, okay? Stick with those veggies first, then your lean protein, get all the water in, limit your alcohol, get movement in, and you guys are gonna have a great summer staying on track and staying healthy. If you want more guidance and accountability on how to have a healthy summer, click the link in the bio and schedule a call with either Coach Louise or myself. Thanks so much, guys.